Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Peasy Garage. We need to make a couple of devices for our next projects. The first is the tube bender. We have reviewed many options and decided to make this one. Let's get started. First we cut the necessary parts out of a 10mm strip, these ones. Then we'll make this detail. Found some 20mm scrap. This was the part that caused the most problems. Firstly, we could not find a bar suitable by thickness, and secondly, we did not have enough working experience with a lathe to make an internal radius. But we did it. Unfortunately, there is no video of the production of this part, but we made it out of 4 10mm plates, pushing external parts with already sharpened inner edges in the form of a pipe and welded all together. This is where we put the bolts, and here, here and here you need to grind stud bolts for quick disconnection. We assembled the entire device and were happy that everything was working. We created a good device, and most importantly, a working one. I will leave a link to the 3D model in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave your comments, subscribe. This will help us develop, and we will make more videos for you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.